Hey everybody, I got another box of Series 1 2024 baseball. See what we can get out of here. So far I only got one autograph so far, but it was out of a hobby box, so, and that's guaranteed. So, and I did pull some home field advantages and some other cool cards so far. But let's see what we can get. It's 14 packs total. See everybody. All right. Ronald Acuna. I'm gonna set these right here. Pete Crow Armstrong. Nothing in there. All right. A foil card. You got Freddie Freeman, Adley Rushman. Nothing really big, just a lot of the basic inserts so far. All right. Far, nothing big. You have to hit a golden mirror out of anything. This Trey Cabbage, rookie foil, Corbin Carroll. So far, just a lot of basic stuff, parallels, little parallels. Nothing really big, nothing numbered yet. Just a lot of the basic stuff and inserts you can get in here. George Brett, Pete Alonso. Sure I'm not missing anything. I know the golden mirrors are gold on the back. I'm not sure if you can tell on the front really. See here. Celebration of the Kid, Ken Griffey Jr. I got a few of those. Maybe put all those together. Here's a chrome. We got a Shohei Ohtani. Nothing really big in there. A lot of the insert cards. Just good players, but a lot of the inserts that are good. If we get anything big out of here that stands out. Here. That Kyle Harrison rookie. Bobby Witt. Nothing in there too interesting. Out of this style of box, I haven't hit a whole lot except for the fact that I hit the home field advantage of Julio Rodriguez. Vladimir Guerrero, nice card. Julio Rodriguez. In there. Chris Murphy, blue. Corey Seager. Nothing special really, huh? Oh, the basic cards that everyone can get so far. A couple foil board cards that come in here. So you're looking for some of the main players, obviously. Corbin Carell. Riley Green, Topps Chrome, not bad. Ryan Sandberg, Sal Frelick. Herbert Riley Green's doing good so far. Spring training. So we got 6 more packs to go, everybody. Winding down on these here. See if we get anything interesting in these last packs. So far, it's a lot of the basic, like I said. Bobby Witt. Matt Olson had a great year this year. What do we got here? Frank Thomas, old school player. Riley Green again. Sure I'm not missing anything here. And I gotta watch for the borders too. Sometimes there's stuff on the border of the card and a lot of little things to watch for. Different variations of cards. Nick Pivetta, huh? Gold. Yeah. Nick Senzel, another Reds card, huh? Reds. Got a nice little package for the Reds. Got a lot of red stuff. Got 3 more packs left. Chisholm. Got a lot of those in. Double down on all of them every time. Just going in all in every person I put in this year. Just to take the chances. I do got 2 Julio and 2 Juan Soto in. See, increase my chances. George Brett, Trout. So far, you guys, it's just a lot of foil card and base stuff in here. I haven't really hit too much. Like I said, when it first came out, I did hit a home field advantage. Maybe it was just luck because I don't see those that much. Oh, look at that. A blue of Bo Jackson. A blue. That's not bad. That's cool. I think it matches the Royals, too. And I got Don Mattingly, foil card. We're going to have to look up that Bo, see if it's worth anything. But that's a pretty cool one out of the box, I guess. I mean, it's a parallel of it. So let's leave that one up and eventually sleeve a few of the other ones up, but for sure this one. Kind of get an idea on this one, see how much it's worth.